as I used to. Some days it takes me a minute or two, but the world keeps turning like it's meant to do. And time don't wait, it just carries you through. I've had good days and a few slip away, had a few things work out a different way. But you live long enough and you'll see it's true. The things worth keeping take time to come through. We're just passing through time like the wind through the pines, just small little pieces in a bigger design. The older I